Hello children, good morning.
Teacher.
Welcome to Melu classroom. How are you all doing today? Hope you are doing wonderful. Now children, imagine that we are in a big ocean and what we will see in the ocean? Yes, so many fishes. So now shall we start our class with a rhyme? Yes, the rhyme is about so many fishes. Are you all ready? Okay, give me a big smile and show me the answer. Good, we will start. 1, 2, 3. Let's start. Slippery fish, sliding in the water. Slippery fish, gulp, gulp. Oh no! It's been eaten by an octopus, squiggling in the water. Octopus, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a tuna fish, flashing in the water. Tuna fish, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a great white shark, lurking in the water. Great white shark, lurking in the water. Great white shark, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by humongous whale, spouting in the water. Humongous whale. Burp. Pardon me. Children, did you all enjoy the rhyme? It's about lots of fishes. What they are doing? Yes, they are enjoying their moments. Okay? Okay, now shall we all go to a story time? Come on, tell. Yes, welcome story. Yes, the story is about a fox in the forest. Shall we go? So now it's story time. Once there is a fox in the forest. Once there is a fox in the forest. One day the fox want to be fun. So the fox want to catch fish. So the fox went to the pond to catch fish. There the fox saw a fairy and fish are playing. Then the fox is very clever. What the fox said to the fish? She said, "Come on, fish, you can also fly in the air like your fairy. So, come on, try it, you have got fins to fly." Oh, the poor fish. She listened to the fox and what she did? She tried to fly and the fox caught the fish and the fox fried the fish in the fire and ate with the fork. Oh no, the fish, poor fish, it has gone. It listened to the fox and it lost his life. Oh no. So children, we should always be careful listening to others. Okay? Now children, tell me one thing. Who is clever in the story? Yes, the fox is clever. And who is playing together at pond? Correct, the fish and the fairy, they are playing in the fox. And with what the fox ate the fish? With the help of the fork. Very good, very good. Now tell me one thing children, what are the sounds started with? Yes, they all started with the sound is a sound for the letter F. Yes, if is a sound for the letter F. So, children, now we will see one more time all the words would started with the sound F and letter F. Fox, fish, fairy, fire and fork. They all started with the sound F and letter F. The phonic sound of letter F is if. Okay, now shall we sing the phonic song? Fishes are floating. F is the sound of letter F. Very good, very good. Now we will see how we will write the letter F. Okay, now children, we will try to write letter F with the 2 fingers. Come on, take your 2 fingers. Straight line, go to the top and draw one sleeping line across the line and one more sleeping line. Okay, this is our capital F. Now, we will see our lowercase f. Draw the roundabout and go to the bottom and draw a sleeping line cutting the straight line. This is our lowercase f. Okay children, this is our uppercase f and this is our lowercase f. Now we will see uppercase f and lowercase f on our panel board and some more words. Come on. Children, this is our uppercase f and this is our lowercase f. We will write on it. Okay. Straight line, go to top, one more sleeping line and one more sleeping line. This is our capital F. Now we will see the lowercase f. A roundabout, go to the bottom and draw a sleeping line cutting the straight line. This is our lowercase f. If is a sound for the letter F. Now children, let us see some words which start with the sound F and letter F. Okay? Fairy, fire, fork, fox. Let's see again. Fairy, fire, fork, fox. Now, shall we read out the silly sentence? Fairy used fork to get the fox out of the fire. And some other words are fan, fish, find, fool, fan, fish, find, fool. These are all the words which start with the sound F and letter F. Okay, fairy, fire, fork, fox, fan, fish, find, fool. These are all the words which start with the sound F and letter F. Now children, we will try to write in our notebook. Come on, take out your notebooks. Children, first we will write capital F. Come on, take your pencils and write slow and neat. Okay? Now, we will start writing capital F. Straight line. Go to the top and sleeping line. And come to the middle, one more sleeping line. This is our capital F. Did you write, children? Try to write slowly. Now we will write one more time. Okay? Capital F. Straight line. Sleeping line on the top. And come to the middle, one more sleeping line. This is our capital F. Straight line, sleeping line on the top, and one more sleeping line on the top. This is our capital F. Okay, children? Now, let's start writing our small letter F. Okay, lowercase f. Okay, round, go to the bottom and cut the line in the center. This is our lowercase f. Okay, we will write one more time. Round about, go to the bottom and cut the straight line with a sleeping line in the middle. This is our lowercase f. Round about, straight line, go to the bottom and in the middle cut the line. Okay, this is our lowercase f. Capital F and lowercase f. Okay, children, now did you get? Now try to tell me the words would start with the sound of and letter F around you. Come on, what the things that we see in the garden? Colorful. Yes, correct. Flowers. Good job. Flowers also start with the sound if. And what are these? These are our fingers. They also start with the sound F and letter F. And with what we will walk? Food. They also start with the sound F. Okay. Fingers, food and flowers. These are all the other words would start with the sound F and letter F. Okay. Keep practicing the words which we see around us. Okay. Now are you all ready for the art and craft? Now children, are you all ready to do art and craft? Yes, very good. Today we are going to do flowers with fork. What we are going to do? Flowers with fork. The material we require is acrylic paints, fork, brush, green color crayon and a color paper. What we need? Color paper, fork, green color crayon, brush and acrylic paints or water paints, whatever is comfortable with you. Okay? Now let's start doing it. Be ready with your material. We are going to start it. Come on. Children, hope you all enjoyed our flowers with fork and a beautiful garden. Okay. Now tell me, what did we learn today? We learned letter F with the sound F. Okay. This is our capital F and this is our lowercase f. And tell me some words which starts with the letter F. Yes. Fire, fox, fish, fairy, fun, flower, fork. These all start with the letter F and sound F. Okay. Hope you all enjoyed today's session and had lots of fun. Bye bye. See you in your next class. Bye.
Teacher.